Hello guys, welcome to this channel, and I hope every tutorial in this channel will contribute to everyone who's wondering how to install font into Canva. So this idea is coming from one of our friend. uh, his name is Sjd Khn Bngsh. So that's the name of our friend who are asking how to install new font in Canva. So I will just call him Mr. S. Okay, so I'm sorry if I couldn't pronounce your name. Well, before heading to this tutorial, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Yus. I come from Indonesia and I live in Bali. For those who are having planned to visit Bali, yes, you can come. It's opened for international since October 24th, right, last month. Okay guys, thank you, and let's go to work. Alright, so as I mentioned, that this idea is coming from our friend like 11 hours ago. He is asking about, and his question is how to add or install new font, and I just would like to give a tutorial, and I present this video just for him to Mr. S, and I would like to help him, and I present it to him as well, this tutorial especially for him, Mr. S. Alright, so let's go to the business. Okay, so once guys, for those who are wondering how to install the font, once you are logged in into Canva, so on the left side of these applications, Canva applications, web application, there is here, if you can see the tools name over there, and there is a brand kit name. Okay, so you can just click that brand kit. After you click that one, and then scroll down and click upload font, and check which font that you are going to upload, and then there is here confirmation notification, and you just press over there. So this is the first step. I mean, so the first way how to upload the font. Is there any other way to install font? Yes, there is another way. So for those who are non-Canva Pro, this is the best way how to upload the font, how to add font into your work. Okay, the second way to install font or to add font into your work is you just go to or you maybe create design. Yes, create design and go to the blank page. Okay, once we arrive to the blank page, I'm going to let you know that you just click here text. Once you click the text, and it will appear here, and click randomly, and click over here over the font name, and there is here space for upload, not space, this one is like notification. Upload a font. So, and on the right side of here there is icon. This icon is for let me check. This one is for Canva Pro users. So guys, before we heading over there, so I just would like to let you know, for those who are first timer or beginner, if you are non-Canva Pro, you will just have a limitation to access everything here in Canva. And if you are Canva Pro, so there's no limitation, so everything you can access. And to grab CANVA Pro, not even $10 if you are going to use monthly, and not even $100 if you are going to upgrade in a year. So I suggest you guys to have a CANVA Pro, and if you like to get one, so you can use the link on the video description later on. That one is the official link from CANVA, because I was affiliate with CANVA and I'm partner with CANVA as well. So that's why I suggest you guys, so more benefit if you are CANVA Pro than non-CANVA Pro. Okay, so let's go. I'm going to use this one because I'm CANVA Pro. Let me check how does it work. Okay, so exactly, it just direct me to upload font section. So let's do it. So this is the second way. So if you are on your page area, so you just go in there, and if you're just logged in, you just go direct to brand kit. Okay, so let's install, or I mean to upload the font. So I have already one font here. I'm going to yes, upload. Yeah, I'm going to upload. Let's check and let's wait for a while. Okay, the font is already there. Actually, I already have to. Okay, no worries, I will just do it. So the font is already there, and let's check where this font uploaded located. Let's check on our working area, on our page that we are going to work. So it's already there, text, it's already there, so I need to get the font, that one. Yes, so the font that we are just upload, it will be here. You will see here on the uploaded font area, so you don't have to look for somewhere else. But if you know the name, you just type, because I know, I just type font, and now it comes up. Okay, so that's the font, and it's so easy. Yeah, I'm going to just type new font. Okay, so that's the new font. Okay, that's my new font today by this time. So this is where you can find out the font when you upload. Okay, you will just find out on the area uploaded font. So it's easy, there's no difficulties how to upload this font. And you may ask, is there any different way to upload in the another devices? I try on a MacBook Pro. There's no different way, so it's just the same way. And once you log in, you just go direct to the brand kit, and if you are on your working area, you just click the font, and there is access in there, access link to go to the brand kit. So this one is for CANVA Pro only. Yeah, the one that I mentioned, the second one. Alright guys, thank you very much for your attention, and I hope this tutorial will is a big helpful for everyone who's wondering how to upload font, and especially for Mr. S that I just mentioned right now. Alright, so thank you guys once again. If this tutorial is useful for you, and please do subscribe the channel, and if you don't like to get any notification from this channel, please do not subscribe. Alright, so guys, once again, thank you very much, and I hope to see you on the next tutorial on every cases that I think it needs to be upload and demonstrate a tutorial for everyone who needs. Alright, thank you very much and see you guys. Bye bye.